Hey everyone, welcome to Windy Studio and welcome to another brand new Photoshop tutorial. And today we'll be creating a very simple poster design as always on Photoshop. And just a quick note, this PST file will be available for my Patreon supporter. And again, I would like to thank all of my Patreon supporter for showing their love and support. And also, if you are new to this channel and if you are liking my contents, then please do subscribe my channel. And with that note, let's dive into the video. So here we're in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's create an artboard. So for that, go to File, click on New, and I'll just go with 5x5, resolution to 300, color mode to RGB, bitrate to 16, and let's keep the rest as default, and let's click on Create. And right after that, let's drag and drop this image right over here. And I downloaded this image from unsplash.com, and let's make it a little smaller. Control G. And let's keep it maybe something like that. Let's keep it something like that. And again, let's drag and drop another image, this one right over here, and let's make it a little smaller too. Control G. Yeah, and then let's maybe let's keep it maybe somewhere around here. And let's see, let's make it a little smaller. Yep, let's keep it something like that. And then right after that, let's drag and drop another image, this one, and right over here, and let's keep it all the way to the bottom. Control T, let's make it a little smaller, just like so. And then now right click, let's do a warp, and let's try to follow and make it like kind of curvy like that. Now let's add a text, and let's make it a little bigger. Control G. Yep, just like so. And let's make it let's convert it as a shape, right? And Control T, let's change the perspective, just like so. And maybe let's keep it like around here. And again, let's do a warp for this one too. And again, you can spend as much as time you want it. And so again, let's change a little bit of perspective too. Let's make it a little smaller on these sides. And again, let's do some more warp. Yep, I think it looks good to me. And then let's keep this under this layer, and let's make a copy. Control J, let's move it above this layer, and let's drop down the opacity just like that. And then maybe let's add a stroke. And then maybe let's change the stroke color to kind of similar color. And let's drop down the fill to something like that. Maybe let's drop down the opacity some more. Yep, let's keep it like that. And then let's do some color touch-up. So select this layer, go to filter, let's go to camera raw filter, and from here let's add some clarity, just like so. And then let's increase the shadows just around like that. And from the color mixes, Let's drop down the saturation for orange just like so, and maybe some for red, and let's keep it like that. And let's do the same thing for this image. So select this one, filter, let's go to camera raw filter, and let's try to apply the previous setting, and let's see how it looks. And I guess for the color mixture, let's drop down the saturation for other colors just like that, and maybe let's increase the texture some more, and maybe some more of clarity, and let's dehaze it just a little bit. Yep, let's keep it like that, and let's do the same thing for this bottom layer. Select this layer, go to filter, let's apply the camera raw filter, and then let's try to apply the previous setting, and from here let's drop down the clarity some more, and let's not dehaze it, let's keep it like that, and let's click on OK. Alright, now let's add a color alert. So go over here, click on lookup, and from here click on load, and I'll just go with my scene alert. So select this one and click on load. So this is what we got. Drag and drop this image right over here, and let's keep it somewhere over here, and let's change the blending mode to screen. Yep, just like that, and let's add some text on the bottom. And then let's add a texture on very top. Yes, let's add a rotation, Control T. Let's make it a little smaller. Let's keep it right over here, and let's change the blending mode to screen. And yep, this is the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.